Imagine a vast cosmic mirror reflecting not just one image of you, but countless versions, each living a life slightly different from your own. This is not science fiction, but a glimpse into the astounding implications of quantum physics. What if every decision you ever made, every path not taken, exists in a parallel reality? The universe, as we are beginning to understand it, is not a singular, linear progression, but a vibrant tapestry of infinite possibilities. What if you could meet these other versions of yourself? What would you learn from their triumphs and failures? These are not just philosophical questions, but tantalizing hints at the nature of reality itself. Quantum physics, the study of the very small, suggests that our universe is not the only one. Instead, a breathtaking multitude of realities might exist, each representing a different outcome, a different choice made. This means you are not limited by the confines of this single life experience. Instead, you are a multi-dimensional being, exploring countless possibilities across the vast expanse of the cosmos. This concept, while mind-boggling, is rooted in scientific exploration. It challenges us to rethink our place in the universe and the very nature of our existence. The journey begins with understanding the fundamental building blocks of reality itself. Let's dive into the quantum realm, where the seemingly impossible becomes possible. At the heart of this multiversal perspective lies the strange and beautiful world of quantum mechanics. Unlike our familiar everyday world, where objects have definite properties and locations, the quantum world operates on entirely different rules. Imagine a single atom, the building block of all matter. In the quantum world, this atom doesn't have to be in one place at a time. Instead, it can exist in multiple states, called a superposition. Think of it like a spinning coin. Until the coin falls and we observe it, it's both heads and tails simultaneously. This is the essence of quantum superposition. Particles exist in a haze of probability, occupying all possible states at once. It's only when we observe them that they choose a specific state, collapsing the superposition into a single outcome. This isn't just theoretical. Experiments have repeatedly demonstrated the reality of superposition, challenging our intuitive understanding of the universe. The famous double-slit experiment, for example, shows that particles like electrons can behave like waves, passing through two slits simultaneously. This wave-particle duality is a cornerstone of quantum mechanics, highlighting the counterintuitive nature of the quantum realm. This concept of superposition is key to understanding the potential for a multiverse. If particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, then perhaps entire universes can as well. Each universe would represent a different outcome, a different path taken by the particles that compose it. But how do we go from a universe of infinite possibilities to the single reality we experience? This is where the concept of quantum decoherence comes into play. Decoherence is the process by which quantum superpositions interact with their environment, causing them to collapse into a single state. Imagine our spinning coin again. The act of observing the coin, of it interacting with the air and our hand, forces it to choose either heads or tails. This interaction with the environment destroys the superposition, leaving us with a definite outcome. Similarly, in the quantum world, interactions between particles and their environment constantly cause decoherence, leading to the emergence of our classical reality. This explains why we don't see objects existing in multiple states simultaneously in our everyday lives. The constant interaction with the environment forces them to choose a single state. However, while decoherence might explain our single observable reality, it doesn't negate the existence of other possibilities. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics takes this idea a step further, suggesting that every time a quantum measurement is made, every time decoherence occurs, the universe splits, preserving all possible outcomes. The many worlds interpretation, while controversial, offers a captivating perspective on the nature of reality. It proposes that every quantum measurement, every interaction that collapses a superposition, causes the universe to branch into multiple copies of itself. Each branch represents a different outcome, a different path taken. Imagine yourself facing a life-altering decision to move to a new city or stay put. In one universe, you pack your bags and embrace the unknown. In another, you stay rooted, your life unfolding along a different trajectory. Each choice, no matter how small, creates a new branch in the multiverse, a new reality where that choice played out. This means that there are countless versions of you out there, each living a life shaped by different choices. Some versions might be wildly successful, while others struggle. Some might be happy and fulfilled, while others experience heartbreak and loss. The implications of this are profound. It means that our lives are not merely linear progressions from past to future, but rather journeys through a vast and intricate multiverse. Every decision we make, every interaction we have sends ripples through this multiverse, shaping the reality we experience.